Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I will show you how we can go through the setup of the phone. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with a screen like this one, where you get to select your desired language. I'm going to change it to English, and then let's select Start. There we go. So right here I can connect to network, assuming I have one near me. If I don't, I can simply skip it. Now, by skipping a Wi-Fi connection page and also, for instance, not inserting a SIM card, you lose the ability to log into your Google account throughout the setup process, and additionally, date and time won't be set automatically. Both of these things can be changed later on after the setup is completed. We had some privacy policy, no one really cares about that one. As you can see, there's our date and time, which isn't set automatically. You can fix it up if you want to. Moving on to the next page, we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now, if you don't like some of these, you can simply disable them. And let's go to More and Accept at the bottom. And this will then allow us to set up a screen lock. By default, the phone opts into setting up a PIN, but if you prefer something else, like a pattern or password, you can click right here, Screen Lock Options, and choose from other methods. And obviously, if you don't want to protect your phone at all, you can select Skip right over here, skip once more, and this will now take us to the next page. Stay in the know, or let's stay in touch, I guess. Different brands, different whatever. Honestly, I don't want to stay in the know or stay in touch, so let's just disable the email portion and we can go to the next page. Right, you can also disable push notifications, which I didn't. Oh well. And as you can see, this basically finishes up the setup. So let's select Done, and we should be taken to our home screen. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.